Generation 4 GOGO panels, the absolute strongest panels we have made yet. So the one-person setup display that we always talk about, that you can do it within a matter of about 30 minutes to build an incredible display like the one that's here behind me. Hey, it's Christian here at GOGO Panels. Want to let you know that we have made some huge changes to our GOGO Panels brand products. Some of those have been some changes to the inside of the panels. We've also decided to offer significantly more products that could be in addition to the display that you may currently own or will own in the future. Everything from pop-up displays to some fabric graphics, etc. But the main reason I'm here to talk to you is because we have our brand new GOGO Panels Generation 4 that we have just launched. And we can print on it. So originally, GOGO Panels was just the black or cream white or a vibrant white display panel. Now we've taken these same product display panels that take your traditional slat wall, and we have converted them into a complete piece of art. So you can put your logo on these. We can print entire displays as long as you can imagine with your favorite maybe wood grain or background that you would desire. So we not only can we print on the solid side of the panels, we can also print on the slat wall side as well. So some big changes that have come to the inside of the panels. Originally, they were really a lightweight product display, couldn't take a significant amount of weight in the center, but we've upgraded them. So these are military grade display panels. You can hang shirts, you can do the waterfalls on them, you can hang all kinds of different shelves and hooks for all different kinds of products that you have out there. If you want to just do a graphic display, again, we can just print on the solid side of the display and you'll have that as well. So we definitely would love to show you what your brand could look like using GOGO panels. But absolutely crucial for any kind of company that is going to be on the road trying to exhibit at multiple different locations. Maybe you have a lot of sales reps and you want to be able to take it and say, hey, look, let's do a small tabletop at one venue, and then maybe at the next venue, let's do a huge wall behind us. It's not a problem at all. With GOGO panels, you can put them in a little case, you can put them in your car and carry them with you. It's really, it's a no-brainer. It's definitely the way to go.